All right, next stop,
like
American
giant.
River College.
Like,
Hey, you're excited? You're excited? How about you? That car was sick. We made it. Now it's just a long walk.
What do you think? Why do you think we're here? Yo, I look-y want to go here for college.
Yo, look. This is like...
Yeah, right now they're waiting for us.
Yo, I'm taking those black ones. Okay. Oh, it's
kind of small.
Oh. I thought those glasses would be small to me, but no, it's actually really feels really good.
No way.
Dang.
Look, there's an engine right there.
Dude, look at all this stuff. Transmission. That is amazing. I'm not joking, that's amazing.
This is automotive, but we do have, it's part of our division, it's part of American River College, it's part of when you offer for mechanic, and then when you offer diesel,
They're just revving the... Wow, they're literally revving the engines. Dude, look at all that stuff. Dang, so many tires. Alright, we have now finished the tour and we're gonna go into the second floor.
One of my students, he works here and he took my class and he built one of those.
So it's basically like an infinite?
He took metal sculpture class. So he took my metal sculpture class. It looks really cool.
How is it not?
Dang, that looks
Take
sick.
one of my metal sculpture classes that you can build your own.
No, but this is suspension.
That's like
Oh, are we supposed to touch it?
it almost looks like
Ferrari.
So, we went to dentist before. And иногда они делают X-ray, да? Also, in the field for critical cold welding, they do X-ray in the pipe. I'm gonna show you right now, okay? I got samples here.
Oh, these are all welding, right?
Right here, and here's the X-ray samples. I'm gonna show you the X-ray samples. I'm gonna take a flashlight, make it dark, look at the X-ray.
the weld.
Now, do you see that black spot right here? Right here? That's a fail, that's not acceptable.
That's a warp.
Yep.
Ha! I got it.
So that one's blue one.
Dude, let
that
me
one's
get
blue
closer.
one. No, that's a bad one. Let's see. Oh no, that's a good one. Sorry. Oh yeah, here it is. Look at this.
Oh, that's black.
So that's a fail. That's how they X-ray pipe and welds in the industry, welding industry.
Air?
Do you see that?
Yeah, there's an air pocket then.
Now look at this one.
Ooh,
That's
a
big fail.
huge fail.
And by the way, that's my weld.
Oh.
I failed, but that was like 10 years ago. And here's the pipe, and this pipe, it did pass.
How about this
So
one?
to get one of the jobs, I had to weld this pipe and the X-ray. And here's the sample. Now look inside. That's where they're looking for.
Wait, let me see. Let me see. Oh.
So how many times? Like 5 times you go over?
22.
22 times.
Yo, is this a bomb? I'm pretty sure it actually. Yo, that's a
Look at
bomb. It has a countdown.
That looks really cool. Bed heating.
Is this?
Dude, there's more 3D printers. Dude, these are like high tech, right? Bro, look at those high-tech printers.
Honestly,
Yo, a Canon. Yo,
Where did they get all these?
it's 3D printed.
Интересно, это они на приставали?
No, it's. Oh, look at this face.
Imate safety lessons.
Well, our cameras are safe.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just making sure.
So, here's the class for welders, for the lecture part here, and here's the lab.
And you teach this lab?
Yeah.
Look at all. That is so many. Some things for welding.
Okay, here's the vertical 7018. You gotta hold the rod, get it to burn a little bit, and then you can start adding metal. I'm doing the Z-weave pattern. Touch, touch, touch.
Is it the same thing for horizontal?
Horizontal, you can go straight in, just let it burn, or you can do a double. It's a little different technique.
There's so many booths here. Yo, that's a whole automatic machine. Look at this, all of that metal.
Oh, T-Tron.
Dang. Look at that. Yo, that's crazy.
Hey, don't forget.
Dang, look at all that. Alright, we have left the building and now we're all gonna take a group picture.
You gave it to him.
Emily, тебе не видно.
Все, смотри на Виктора.